Hello today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the 3-in-1 MagSafe foldable charger. 15 watt wireless inductive charging station for our iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series. This is included the Pro, the standard version and the Max and so on. You can of course recharge other devices which comes with an inductive charging mechanism, the Qi standard, with this foldable charger of course, but only in flat. Okay, in flat option you can recharge nearly every phone which contains the Qi standard, but the MagSafe devices like the iPhone 15, 14, 13 and 12 you can recharge in an upright position, as you can see. It's really cool because with the new update on the iPhone 15, for example, you will get such a clock view. Really cool. We can recharge in not only, because it's a 3-in-1 device, not only our iPhone on it, we can also recharge our Apple Watch and AirPods, because there are 3-in-1 possibilities. We have 3 ports to recharge inductive charging style. It's a travel wireless charger with USB-C adapter, and it's in a white finish. This MagSafe wireless charger is perfect companion for us while we travel, and of course it's good in daily use because we can use this on our desktop too, no problem. We can use this fast charger wireless charging station for our iPhone, for our Apple Watch and AirPods, and features a foldable design for easy portability. And we can make a safe fast charging. We say goodbye to annoying cables and simply place our device on the 3-in-1 charger to charge with the fast charging of 15 watt. The integrated multiple protection system ensures safe and reliable charging and protects against problems such as overheating, overcurrent, and short circuit. We have here a magnetic charging technology. Thanks to the powerful magnetic holder, the iPhone is automatically aligned and connected to ensure a stable and efficient charging. The magnetic absorption charging is only compatible with the MagSafe design, of course. The Qi standard, the inductive reloading, is compatible to nearly all devices which supports this, but only in flat, in flat style. Multifunction charging station, that means the foldable charging mat can be converted into a phone stand in a few seconds, as you can see. This allows us to charge our device while watching videos, making video calls, or using our device in landscape mode. And this is a really cool feature, I think, because here we have one device to recharge 3 devices simultaneously. And one device you can lift up a little bit and look my favorite YouTube videos on my channels, for example, with this. No problem. Or you use, as shown in that video here, you can also use your Samsung phone in in a flat line, and then you can recharge it too. But there is no magnetic alignment, okay? This is a little bit tricky, but it works. It's compatible with the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Plus, 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and of course the iPhone 12 mini, because this is with MagSafe system. Other mobile phones wearing MagSafe cases are compatible too, and of course on a flat ceiling you can recharge it without the MagSafe system. It's compatible with the Apple Watch Ultra 987 SE 65432. Series 1 will be not supported, but every other Apple Watch is supported with this device here. And we have compatible earbuds models: the AirPods 2 wireless charging version, the AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro, because it's compatible with Apple MagSafe. The Apple Magnetic Wireless Charging Pad, that is the unique magnetic technology with strong magnetic core automatically align our iPhone. This keeps our phone firmly in place and prevent it from dropping. And here it comes with a foldable charging design. The travel charging station has design that can be bent and fold repeatedly, which is space saving and compact, and it is easy to carry. We can put it in our bag or bag during our business trip or vacation or something else. This makes our trip more convenient. And mobile phone charging station. When we fold out the stand on the back of the MagSafe charger, it turns into a phone stand. This provides a perfect view for continuous charging while watching video in landscape mode or in an upright position. No problem, we can use it. And there are a bunch of other possibilities to use that, because we can lift up the charging port for our Apple Watch, for example, or we can lift up the entire device and it will hold our Apple iPhone in line because of the magnetic system, and of course the Apple Watch in line too, because we can raise and style it as we like. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charging station. It can be transformed into different formats. When unfolded, it lies flat on a table and charges our iPhone, our Watch and AirPods at the same time. Folded in a stand, we can watch TV or video chat while charging, or we charge our iPhone and iWatch at the same time. It can be folded 180 degrees into a charging mat that allows us to charge our mobile phone, our watch, and the headphones in a tight space. You see, different options. Intelligent charging is here on the go. The charger is equipped with an LED indicator that allows us to check the charging status and bright enough to not disturb us while we're sleeping. Turn on means green lights flash for 3 seconds. Charging indicator, the green lights is always on. Prompt to charge the mobile phone, green light off, and error, green light flash. We have multiple protection functions. The inductive charging station with features as over-current protection, and over-voltage protection, and overcharging protection to ensure that our device is charged quickly and safely. We don't have to worry about damaging our device's battery. And we have triple power. Charge our smartphone, earbuds, and Apple Watch at the same time. Powerful charging, we enjoy 10-watt charging power of the smartphone, 2.5 watt for Apple Watch, and 3 watt for the AirPods. And smart design, easy convertible to multiple charging formats, and universal compatibility. It's ideal for charging the most smartphones, AirPods, wireless charging cases, and other compatible earbuds, as well as the Apple Watch Series 1 up to 6. You see, the 3-in-1 MagSafe foldable charger by DESOOCO is a really good thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.